Hello, we are the Loah Family. Today we'll share some useful tips about the Seoul Subway in Korea. We'll show you three main categories. First, general information about stations. Please avoid rush hours. It's much more crowded than usual. In Korea, people walk on the right side. On escalators, people usually walk on the left side. If you exit and re-enter the same station on the same line within 15 minutes, it's still counted as a transfer. If you download the Kakao Map app from Google Play or the App Store, you can check real-time subway information directly on the map. You can tap to see more detailed information. The second category is about platforms. The entry sounds for up and down trains are different. If you have a wheelchair, stroller, or large luggage, look for the wheelchair sign when boarding. The platform screen doors display useful information, such as the best spots for quick transfers. Follow the floor markings on the platform. Each elevator floor may connect to different lines, so make sure to check carefully. Please give priority to people with wheelchairs or strollers. Lastly, tips for inside the subway. If you have a wheelchair, stroller, or large luggage, board where the wheelchair mark is. It's much more comfortable. Inside the subway, there are free Wi-Fi and phone charging services. The subway map contains useful information. It shows whether there's a nursing room and if the restroom is located inside the gate. It also indicates whether the doors open on the left or right side. The screen shows which side the doors open, your current position, and nearby stairs and elevators. Usually the two middle cars are mild AC cars. Inside the subway, pink seats are for pregnant women. The first and last 2 to 3 seats in each car are for the elderly. Please refrain from eating or drinking inside the subway. Sometimes elevators don't have ticket gates, so it may surprise you. There's a small device next to the elevator where you can tag your card manually. This is not a common case. Stations with many foreign visitors provide luggage storage and delivery services. The station you see now is Myeongdong Station, exit 9. Stations with many foreign visitors also have ticket machines for foreigners. Was this information helpful? We'll keep sharing better videos. Thanks for watching.